Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson. We're going to be continuing our series on cancel culture, how to cancel certain streaming applications. This time we're focusing on Hulu. Stay tuned. So we're going to get right into it. Hulu is one of those OGs in the game that's been around for a while. Currently, it's kind of on the decline for me as far as I'm concerned, as far as content generation. But this series is not about content. It's about how to cancel your subscription. So let's go ahead and jump into it. First, you're going to go ahead and log into your Hulu account, and you're going to click on login. You're going to go ahead and enter your email address and password. And traditionally, you have the profile in the upper right hand corner, and you're going to see your menu. You're going to click on account. And right off the bat, you've got your cancellation button, which is in the third chevron below. And that is pretty much it. You can manage your plan and do other things from this page, but really that's all you need to do. For ease of use, I'm going to give this Hulu page 5 out of 5 stars. It was just easy peasy, and there's no hiccups in that process. Now, going forward, Hulu has a bunch of different tiers that allow for free content, but at their current price range for me, it's just not a win. I'm going to keep my account because I've been grandfathered in through the old Sprint network, where it's just coming out for my bill out of my T-Mobile bill for like $5 a month. So it's really not a bother to me because I'm already paying a cell phone bill, which covers this tier of the account. If you have any questions, concerns, go ahead and leave them in the comment sections. I'll talk to you very, very soon.